Hello guys, this is Pedro from Pinoy in KSA Vlogs, and here I am in Red Sea Mall here in Box Cinema. It's the premiere of the Avengers Endgame movie. First cinemas here in Saudi Arabia, and it's the first cinema here in Jeddah, KSA. So if you're excited, I'm so much excited too. So let's go, let's check it out. I'm here inside, and still no one in here because it's 7 o'clock at maaga ako dito. I was planning to have a breakfast in IHOP, new building here, and maganda siya. So at least now Saudi is talking, meron na silang cinema, first ever cinema here in Jeddah. So it's our movie day today, and I'm wearing the Deadpool shirt.
Damn it, Wade!
Yeah, Marvel fan here. So, ayun na, 8:30 pa yung kanila. So, sa akin, ano pa lang, 9 o'clock. So, kain muna ako siguro. Movie. Dito ako sa IHOP to take my big breakfast. Dahil 3 oras yung film, it's gonna be a long film. Kakain lang ako ng medyo marami-rami para hindi ako gutom sa loob. Plus, from IHOP, it's the breakfast sampler. Ayan. And I have my hash brown, big omelette, rice and shine, which is the orange apple and ginger together, pancake. So that's how you put syrup in a pancake. To wait for some time because my showing is 9 o'clock in the morning. So stay lang muna tayo, picture here. At well, social yung cinema. Ang galing. I have here someone with me, Captain America.
Wow!
Yes. So Steve Rogers, Captain America, and Tony Stark.
Wow!
Okay. Iron Man, yeah. Oh my God, I don't want him to die. So Avengers Endgame is one of the most anticipated movie here in Saudi Arabia. So there's a lot of Marvel fans also in here, and of course, us Filipinos, we're big fan of Marvel. Dito na tayo sa loob ng cinema for the Avengers. Okay, I'm so excited. Ayan na siya. Ayan. So hindi natin So ayun guys, I'm here already inside the theater for the first time, and there are some people at my back who are very excited also for the movie.
Not just the movie, it's Avengers, man.
It's Avengers, I know. Exactly. So we're not gonna go to the toilet maybe. We're just gonna hold our bladders. So I'm so excited, really. This is the
Spoilers
first.
and shit.
Yes.
Spoilers for you.
Yes. So we'll see the cinema. This is my first time here. Inside the Vox Cinema in Jeddah. It's more of a premiere one because of the leather seats and everything. Yeah, nice. Nice. So I'm gonna be stopping you for a while, guys, because we cannot record the movie. Sarap. So I have here pala my popcorn, my big popcorn, and my big glasses. It's in 3D. So sana hindi ako mahilo-hilo. Although it's just a small screen, unlike IMAX. Pero okay na rin to. Kasi pag di pa ako nanood ngayon, daming spoilers eh. Okay, so let's do this. Yeah, so hello guys, we're out of the cinema already. Finished watching the Avengers Endgame here at Vox Cinema. And sobrang ganda. The last part was, there's such a lot of surprises. So yung movie will make you cry, it will make you laugh, it will make there's a lot of big revelation and surprises. It concludes all the Avengers film that we've watched. So if you're a Marvel fan, you're gonna love this 100%. So for me, it's a 10 thumbs up. And you should watch this. It's a must movie to watch. Okay? Pinoy in KSA with me, Pedro, here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. You can visit here at Vox Cinemas here in Red Sea Mall. And thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and comment in our channel. So much for that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, Jeddah. Assalam.